As a software-agnostic company, I bought Aerial Solutions focuses on providing high-quality data. We have experience providing progress monitoring on multi-billion-dollar projects, from earthworks to asset handover. We deliver on key phases of project progress monitoring: identification, early works, early construction, late construction, and asset. Project identification includes environmental and survey work on greenfield and brownfield sites, conduct survey and environmental assessments, while extracting CAD line work and planimetrics from the data. Our data is capable of assessing areas of your site for stockpile volumetrics, enabling accurate quotes and streamlining workloads. Track your assets on their way to your site while leveraging 2D and 3D models early in the construction phase, for logistical planning. Collaborate with cross-functional stakeholders digitally, as site construction develops for asset handover. Hand over historical data to the asset team for ongoing support, planning, and engineering. Regardless of the state of the asset, we provide a continuous flow of highly accurate engineering-ready data. I bought Aerial Solutions, one data set, unlimited uses.